If you've forgotten your password and aren't sure what to do next, don't worry, we've got you covered. First, determine which account or service you've forgotten the password for. This could be your email, social media, or any other account. Most services have a forgot password link on the login page. Click or tap on that link. You will typically be asked to enter your email address or username associated with your account. Enter the required information and submit it. Check your email inbox for a password reset link or code. Make sure to also check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it right away. Open the email and follow the instructions provided. This usually involves clicking a link that will take you to a page where you can create a new password. Choose a new strong password that you haven't used before. Once you've reset your password, go back to the login page and enter your username or email and your new password to access the account. If you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below and we'll help you out.